Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome. We are from Group 4 from 2 class. So this is our project entitled Webster. But before we dive into the presentation, let us first introduce ourselves. So there are three members in our group. So the first one is Gideon Simamora, and then myself, Jeremi Lukas Susanto, and then lastly is Muhammad Syahril Syahbani. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into the presentation. So the first one is system analysis. So in this project, the authors decide to make about web server. So the content of this paper is about how to configure web server with an Apache system. So the function of web server is to process requests from users and send them back to the users. So this data is sent from the web server to the client via a web browser. And then next is Apache. So the Apache HTTP server project is a collaborative software development effort aimed to creating a robust, commercial-grade, featureful, and freely available source code implementation of an HTTP web server. So this is the configuration. So the first step of configuration is, of course, we have to install the web server Apache 2. So on the left side of our screen, there are steps that we have to obey sequentially in order to make the program is working. So the first step is we have to type su, and then we enter our password. And then after that, we type apt update. And then after that, we type apt install Apache 2. So after that, the system will automatically downloading the packages that are needed for the system to works. So next slide will be explained by my friend, Gideon. Please take over. Thank you.
Yes, my name is Gideon Simamora. Now I want to explain about the second step of configuration from our project. For the second step is enable SSL module. We must to enable SSL module by the code a2 en mode SSL, and then we enter the systemical restart Apache 2 service Apache 2 restart, and then the third step is we must create the self-site SSL service a certificate for for if we want to create the SSL certificate, we need to make a folder for it, SSL first. We made with the folder with sudo mkdir /etc /apache 2 /ssl. And after we put the earlier program, we need to enter the new program with open SSL rate, so strip x509 strip nodes strip days 365 strip new key RSA titik 2048 strip k out size etc size Apache 2 size SSL size Apache key size strip out size etc size Apache 2, size SSL, and size Apache .crt. The fourth step of configuration is configuration Apache using SSL. When we put the program with cd size etc size Apache 2 size site available cp default ssl dot configuration config strip ssl dot config nano size etc size Apache 2 size sites available size coffee.p strip ssl configuration. Next program we need to input is cd size etc size Apache 2 size sites available cp default strip ssl dot configuration coffee.p ssl dot configuration nano size etc size Apache 2 size sites available and size coffee.p strip ssl dot configuration.
Hello, my name is Syahbani, and then I will to continue my presentation from my friend. 5. Enable SSL virtual host. For command is sudo a to set coffee.p ssl.com or your file. This is for to active file your configuration and sudo service apache to restart. 6. Configuration file HTML for display the web server in change directory /var/www and then nano HTML. NGINX for web server security, it uses reverse proxy, where its main function is to receive and forward requests from the client to the server or vice versa. This way reverse proxy works is as shown below. For client request to reverse proxy to request to Apache server, and Apache server send to proxy server, from proxy server to client. This is a configuration for NGINX as reverse proxy. apt install NGINX for install service NGINX, and then nano /etc/NGINX /sets available /default, and then this is for the configuration. We use port 443 because it's SSL, and then location for proxy path and proxy set header, and this is output from Apache server before use NGINX as a reverse proxy. And then this is certificate SSL self-signed, and then the output after use reverse proxy as NGINX as reverse proxy. This is our presentation from group 4. Thank you.